Hey, today Replit completely removes always-on feature from its service. That means you can't host your Discord and Telegram bots, Twitch points miners, hours boosters, or other applications which bring you some profit. They also removed comments, so you can't comment any ripples, but it doesn't matter at all. Alright, if you go to the old URL of your Replit app, you will see this message. Now WebView is something different, and it doesn't matter what script do you use, Python, Node.js, or something else. If you click this button, New Tab, you see, now you have a different link. It looks like you can use this link on Uptime Robot. But when you use this, after a while it still falls asleep. So you can run some app only if you're on the site. And when you close the app and leave Replit website, it's going to sleep. You can't use Replit and Uptime Robot like before. Okay, then how to run some bot 24 hours a day? There is no free method anymore. You can do that only with a deployment, and if you want to run some bot, it's recommended to use reserved virtual machine. They promise 99% of uptime, and prevent restarts. They say this one is perfect for Discord bots or other long working scripts. But now you have to pay for this, and it costs 40 cents per day if you want to use the same config as it was before for old free plan. Then you have to buy cycles. You can do that only with some credit card, even its prepaid card. I buy 150 cycles, it's $1.50, or 3 days of the deployment. Then click, deploy your project. Make all configs before this. You won't be able to change any settings when it's deployed. And don't forget to set the run command. If you use Node.js script, enter, nodeindex.js, and if you want to deploy some Python script, enter here, py, and name of the main file. Click, deploy, and wait some time. You will get this message if it's good, and you don't need to run the application with the green button. See, my script is working now. You can deploy any app you want, like Discord, Telegram bots, Steam bots, idlers, Twitch miner, or any script you used before. But now it's not free. It costs $13 per month. Now I got only this method, but if I find something of course I will drop a video on it. Please leave a comment if you know any free cloud hosts for our bots. Thanks for watching.